Hi guys, this is Jovelyn H. Paris from BS Add 2 English to pronounce the 44 sounds of vowels and consonants in phonology. So first, what is IPA? So the IPA, or the International Phonetic Alphabet, is a system used to represent the phonetic sounds with symbols. It also helps us to pronounce the words correctly. So here are the sounds of 44 vowels and consonants in phonology. So the first is E. E, like easy, easy. The next is E. E, like imitate, imitate. The next is U. U, like should, should. The next is U. U, like food, food. The next is ear, ear, like bird, bird. The next is A, A, like day, day. The next is E, like manta, manta. The next is or, like sword, sword. The next is or, like four. The next is ur, like tour, tour. The next is oi, like toy, toy. The next is o, like go, go. The next is a, like battle, battle. The next is o, like not, not. The next is or, like barter, barter. The next is o, like lot, lot. The next is air, air, like bear, bear. The next is I, like ride, ride. The next is ow, like house, house. The next is like aroma, aroma. The next is like pig, pig. The next is b, like barber, barber. The next is t, like taunt, taunt. The next is like deed, deed. The next is like check, check. The next is like pledge, pledge. The next is k, like cook, cook. The next is k, like gag, gag. The next is like five, five. The next to this is v, which is vital, vital. The next is like thousand, thousands. And the next is like these. The next is like source, source. The next is like Zanis, Zanis. The next is like shush, shush. The next is like measure, measure. The next is like mountain, mountain. The next is like noble, noble. The next is like singing, singing. The next is ha, like hat, hat. The next is l, l, like lil, lil. The next is r, or rare, rare. The next is wah, like window, window. Then last is ya, like yacht, yacht.